Welcome back to the channel. Today we've got something special on the table, the Air Jordan 4 White Thunder. This pair is the latest addition to the iconic Thunder series. The upper is made from premium black suede, giving it that clean, luxurious look, while the crisp, white accents on the mesh panels, eyelets, and Jumpman logos make the design pop. The cushioning? Top-notch, thanks to the white polyurethane midsole with a visible air unit in the heel, perfect for both style and comfort. And let's not forget the black rubber outsole with a herringbone pattern for excellent grip and durability. This pair celebrates the 35th anniversary of the Air Jordan 4 and continues the legacy of the Thunder series, following the original Thunder and Red Thunder. If you're thinking of grabbing these, check out icystar.ru and use my code PLUG for $20 off. And don't forget to follow their Instagram at icystar_top. I highly recommend going true to size when picking up the Air Jordan 4 White Thunder. These sneakers are designed to provide a snug yet comfortable fit that hugs your feet perfectly. Whether you're rocking them casually or putting them to work on the court, staying true to your usual size will give you the best experience. Trust me, these kicks are all about combining style and comfort without compromising on fit. If you enjoyed this review, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any upcoming videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.